So I wanted to take a quick moment to touch on something that a lot of people that I talk with about YouTube growth do not know about this, and this is called channel tags or channel keywords. Much like videos. They want you to put in keywords and tags, and just want to go over this real quick. So what you will do, come up here to your profile picture in the top right hand side, and then you want to click on your channel, and then come right here to customize channel, and then go to settings, channel, and then boom, right there is where you want to add the keywords that would best describe your YouTube channel. You guys may already know about this, you may not, but just wanted to make a quick tutorial for anyone out there who may not know about this. And if you don't know about this, go try it out and leave a comment below and let me know if you've seen any growth in your channel. Good luck.